How to get price adjustments on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of view. Now here towards the option of your orders, click on it. Now on this page, you're going to find all of your orders. Now you can go and review orders from the past 30 days to check for eligible price adjustments. Just click on any of the product. Scrolling down, you're going to see the option of request price adjustment. Click on that. Then press request price adjustment button and submit it. After submission, credits are issued to your account, often immediately, and notifications are sent. Check your orders daily for potential price adjustments, as different suppliers have varying price points and policies. So this way you can easily get price adjustments on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.